Ever wonder why some people just seems to win while others struggle? It's not luck. It's all about habit. And guess what? You can build them too. Today I am breaking down 3 habits that millionaires swear by in 2024. If you are ready to level up, let's go. Millionaires don't bring watch just Netflix. They bring on knowledge. In 2024, they are all about staying ahead. Whether it's AI, crypto, or mastering the stock market. The future moves fast and they know being behind means being broke. Like Elon Musk once said, if you are not learning, you are failing behind. So pick up the podcast, dive into the audiobooks and take a course. It's time to invest in your brain. Millionaires know that the right connection can open doors. In 2024, that means leverage both in-person and online networks. From LinkedIn to local meetups, they are always building relationships. Remember, it's not about the number of connections, it's about the quality. So put yourself out there and start building your networks. You don't need a room full of people. You need the right room. Quality over quantity always. Millions know playing it safe does not build empires, but they are not reckless. In 2024, they are jumping into tech stock, startups, even crypto. The difference. They do their homework. Every decision is calculated. Remember, no risk, no reward, but only if you are done the math. They understand that risk is the price you pay of opportunity. They are not afraid to bet big as long as it's an informed bet. So there you have it, the 3 habits that millions live by. It's about lifelong learning, building strong connections and take smart risks. They are not just habits, they are the millionaire mindsets for 2024. Start today and who knows, you might be the next big success story we are talking about. Are you ready to level up your game in 2024? Hit that subscribe button for more tips on achieving financial freedom.